Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, Arnold here from Rustenburg, Gatswane Nature Reserve. Yeah, after a long day's walk since ever this morning, around about 9 o'clock, I parked my vehicle at a place where you can't really see it. So yes, I went foot patrol next to the fences here in Gatswane Nature Reserve. So yes, I walked very far. So yeah, I punished myself a little bit. Got rid of all that unhealthy cholesterol and all those things. But luckily I managed to come back to the vehicle. So I made it tired. The weather is starting to pick up. See some thunder, lightning that side far in the distance. I think we're gonna get some rain tonight. But yeah, what a day, what a day. So the time I walked the other side, on the, I think it's the west, there was good fencing. The fences was in a good state, good condition. But today, when I walked this side, on the east side, by the Kloof, Rustenburg Kloof side, going all the way to the, what you call it, there's a centrum there, between the mountains. So I walked all the way on the other side of the Kloof. The fence is in a state, they're all rust up. And I understand why it is like that, because you can't get to it. There's a kloof there, and there used to be a bridge, a steel bridge, so that the rangers can walk over the kloof, and it's deep. Yeah, it's deep. I think it might be 60 meters drop, and it's 90 degrees. You can't climb down and climb up. No, it's a kloof. It's a big down drop there. So I went there. Even if you put the rock down there, it takes some time to hit the bottom. But nevertheless, that place is bad, really bad. So the rangers can't walk from here to that side, so they need to get out of the park, drive around, and then a recreational centrum. That's the place, that's the name I was looking for. So yeah, I've been walking all the way to the recreational centrum. So then you need to get from that side to cover the other side of Gatswane. Gatswane has been split in two by a kloof. So there's a mountain that did this, so it's cliffs. You can't drive with the car that side of Gatswane. So that fences that side is all, some of them are down. So the game are definitely escaping there. That I can guarantee you that. So it's challenges on challenges on challenges. I don't know how. I'll just give them this feedback of this videos and see what they will do about it. If they need assistance, they can just ask me. We can come together, make a plan, and see what we can do to restructure that whole bridge, that walking bridge, so that you can get to the other side, so they can fix the fences. Yeah, and amazing how many people is on top of this mountain, between those cliffs, a little bit further down. They're praying and they're singing and they're whistling. There's a whistle, they keep on blowing the whistle, and then they're shouting and screaming, and the flames are coming, smoke are coming out of the kloof there. You know how dangerous that is. If one of those rocks, because that cliff is literally this, it's 90 degrees. Rocks can scale and fall into that kloof, and the people is down there, they'll die. But anyway, they are illegal there. Nobody will even know they are there if something might have happened. Can't see them. That thing is so deep. It's so dark down there. It's amazing how they get there. But then anyway, it's not the responsibility of Gatswane. It's not their problem. We will let the authorities know about it, then they can take it from there. So yeah, a lot of people are operating in those areas, which is amazing, and they are not scared. It's amazing how they operate, really. But nevertheless, I'm going down now. Oh, it's quite dark that side. But anyway, it's gonna rain definitely. There's heavy rain coming. But yeah, we need it. We need the rain. We really need the rain. The farmers are indeed in need of this rain. Some say no, it's too early. Some will say no. You know, human beings are never happy. Never happy. But yeah, I am flat. My wheels are flat. My tires are flat. I'm tired. my feet are so sore. Good exercise. I like walking. You see different things. Actually, nice plants. I'll see if I can post those. Oh, what happened now there? I'll see if I can post those plants. You can't believe which nice flowers are growing here in the bushes. It's really nice. It's beautiful. But yeah, I'm yawning. Why? I don't know. It's a beautiful day. Now, imagine how this works. The sun was gone the morning when I came in. It was cloudy, thick. I didn't think the sun would come out. When I got like 100, 200 meters away from the vehicle, all of a sudden the cloud disappeared, the sun baked. There was sun the whole way that side and the whole way coming back. Excuse my radio there at the back. It's aviation radio. Busy traffic today. That's why I didn't fly a lot of drone, because of air traffic are very busy. But nevertheless, so I came back to the vehicle, drink some water, eat a chocolate just to get my energy back. Didn't work. Sorry. But then anyway, as I get into the car, so I thought, now let me go fly the drone just on the other side, in the opposite direction where I came from, just to make sure that side it's covered. Alright, I did it. Oops, there's the clouds again. Thick. No sun. I'm in the vehicle. I guarantee you now, if I get out of my vehicle and start walking, the sun will come out somewhere. It's amazing. But anyway, alright guys, I really appreciate each and every one of you. I see the views are going. I'm still learning some stuff. I'm trying to do something to educate people out there. Ooh, sorry. So as I go on, I'll gain experience. Everyone starts somewhere. I need to start somewhere. So bear with me, forgive me for if my English grammar, my senses doesn't make sense. So, but yeah, if you're Afrikaans spoken person, then you understand what I'm trying to say. But I wanted to speak in English so that everyone can understand me. I don't want to cater just for one language. I want to cater for everyone. I'm actually Afrikaans speaking. I'm Afrikaans speaking. It's my home language. So, but I want to share information with everyone, and I want everyone to understand what I'm saying. So excuse my English. For those who speak English, at least you can understand what I'm trying to say. Sometimes it sounds like I want to give you instruction, but actually I'm talking to you. My senses is just all messed up. But then anyway, I'll get there. Everyone starts somewhere. Forgive me. Drop a comment. Tell me that, hey, you must do this, this and this, so that I can gain experience. Sorry. So that I can edit things like this and understand how it works. I don't know anything about cutting and editing and all those things. So the videos I'm making, I post them directly on YouTube. That's why I actually curse a lot, I swear. But because I know my videos is going to go straight to YouTube, I can't edit it. I try to keep it down as much as possible. I don't want to swear, but there might be coming a word or two through as when I get angry and something pisses me off, and then then there might be a word slipping through. But so far I had a good day. Nobody was in the park, although during the week there was. The fence is down again, there's tracks, the people are here. So I think now what happens is they come during the week because they know that I'm patrolling on weekends. So maybe they are changing for weeks, but it's fine. I stay down there, so it's fine. I'll come up with the drone and then I'll see. They see the drone and they might think that, oh, I'm doing now each and every day, but nevertheless. Alright guys, I'm leaving. Thank you very much. Appreciate you guys' support. Thank you for watching. Drop a comment, like and subscribe. Teach me, tell me, tell me the truth. Tell me that, listen, you need to upgrade there, you need to do this, you need to do that. Please help me, advise me. I would like to share what I see in the bushveld, in the nature. I wanted to share it with you guys, and I can only get better. Thank you guys, appreciate it, and be safe. Love you guys.